Hello everyone, Osman is here. Today I'm gonna work on a real life data analysis project. Actually, I created a scenario and there are some business data requests, and I'm gonna show you a bunch of SQL techniques that you can figure out how they work in the real life. And let's dive it. In this scenario, we are working a sports company, and our company has a deal with a group of companies, and we need to follow our sales. And there are some business data requests. And let's look at these. The first one is number of sales for our products and percentages of these sales relation to total customers, and we need to filter sales date. It must be between September 26 and 30. And you see these are tables we will use. Let's look at first account information, sales 2025 and branch 2025. I'm using shortcuts you can use, it's very useful, which means select top 50 from this table. I don't need to write every time select top 50 from this table. So let's start with drop table. If exists example 1, let's say. Select everything into example 1. You can use city or drop table. I use both of them. So let's utilize sales table. See, sales 2025. We need to filter company account numbers and date as well. Where company account number in, we have company account numbers for this report, and there's a very simple method. You don't need to use comma for all of these. Let's say here and flash fill. You can copy easily. Also, we need to filter sales date. We are looking for 26 between 30. But there is a problem. There's a number in sales date. But also there's another sheet we can utilize. And sales date between. Let's come up here. We are looking for 26 September. And 30. See? Let's run it first of all. Right now, I need to eliminate the duplicates. In the real life, you will face maybe 70% of your work time then the duplicates, and you need to remove duplicates first of all. For example, this database just works every day, and you need to take the last one, the last day maybe. So for that, I'm going to create a temporary table with common table expression. I'm going to use it without duplicates, let's say, as select everything from example 1, and I'm gonna use row number here over partition by customer number, order by sales date. I'm taking the last one, therefore I will use descending as removing, let's say, the LEs. You see, and that's our first CT, and also I'm gonna write another one. Let's say CT as right now. I'm gonna command some case statements. For example, you see there inactive, active, yes and no. I will command 1 or 0 to analyze easily. As select everything from without duplicates. Also, I will join the other tables. Let's say the left join. You see the account information here. Let's run it. I can use customer number here. Account information, let's say A, on the dot customer number a dot customer. One more join with the other table. We will take some of variables from all of three tables. Branch. I can use company account number for joining here. Let's copy it. Branch, let's say b on e dot company account number equal to a dot company account. Also, I need to filter where you see data removing. We need to find the last one. Data removing equal to 1. Now I'm gonna write my case statements here. Some case when, let's come up here. I need to look at the variables. When wants 6 membership, yes, then 1, else 0, and as wants 6 membership. I can't write 6 first of all due to scale rules, and I can copy here. I don't need to write all of these. I have let's 5, right? 3, 4, 5. I can change right now. 12 membership, 12 membership for annual membership. Now platinum cards, but it's not yes or no, it's active and inactive. I'm gonna write active and platinum card. Annual insurance, I'm gonna write annual insurance exists as no. Alright, exist and as annual insurance. And the last one, I'm gonna take the item set. Let's write here item set. It's already 1 and 0. Doesn't matter. I can write and item set. Let's remove the comma here. Also, I don't need the all variables here. I'm gonna take, for example, customer number, but I need to use alias because if I don't use, I can face the ambiguous error. ed dot customer. Sorry about that. What's going on there? Customer. Oops. Customer number. That company account number, branch, region, and last one. Let's look at this. I'm gonna take this spending score and spending score. I have to use group by here also. Group by this. That's our other common table expression. Now select everything from CT. Let's look our query. Is there something wrong? I need to use semicolon here. Looks like fits. Let's run it. Something wrong here. So oops, that's customer number. Let customer number be branch b dot company account number. See? So now we're gonna pass the Excel sheet. Instead of just drinking coffee and walking around the office, it could be boring. Sorry about that. I'm gonna take the data here, copy with headers, and that's a little bit formatting. Right now, I'm gonna create a pivot table. We need to find out the number of sales and percentage. Let's say insert pivot table. Now I can take branch here and spending score, months, membership, see, platinum card. I don't need the spending score, item set. Now that's our number of sales. Also, I need to add one more pivot table. Let's say I need to find out the percentage. So customer number, I need to add count here and sum of month of, that's our number of customer numbers. And spending score, not spending score, membership, platinum card, annual insurance, and item set, the other. I can write very simple formula here. This one is C16, right? And this one is B16. I need to use $sign. And need to change percentage here. That's our percentage. Right now, we can do a little bit formatting. Let's copy here. Say report. And I'm gonna pass with link. Also, I can use get pivot data, insert table. Yes. This one I can write and some placeholder. Also, I need to take off and I do a little bit formatting here. It depends on your preference. And I'll take design, maybe, I know, I can do maybe it's, I'm not sure. I prefer blue one usually. And all borders can do that. Membership, annual insurance, item set, and we can mount membership. Annual membership, we can call that. Annual insurance. That's our report. It will be our report. Item set and platinum card. ECD and it's our branch. Barry, Kingston, Montreal, Toronto, Vancouver, and the total one. Total. No, I don't need that. So format painter. No, I don't need format painter. So, and let's copy here and paste link. Also, I'm gonna insert table again. See, headers will be removed. Insert home format tab table, and I choose suppose sum of replace all, and I'm gonna remove the, sorry about that. Can do that, the percentage here. Where's the percentage? All borders. Mm, 6 months membership. Copy here. Total customers. Number of total customers. You can design here. It's very basic guide. It's very basic design here. This project is based on the real life data analysis activities, and I just wanted to show you how it works in the real life. And if you're curious about something, you can ask me whatever you want. See you in the next projects.